Richie Ruckus beat.
On YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Monday, December 23rd. Christmas Eve is a mere 24 hours away. I am ready to hit you guys with one last sneaker unboxing, one last sneaker review, and one last on foot of a pair of very, very dope sneakers that I had to get my hands on before Christmas. So this will definitely be the last video I shoot and get uploaded before Christmas, and I'm probably going to be back right after Christmas with some more bangers because, let's be honest, every sneakerhead asks for a pair of sneakers for Christmas. So hopefully Santa Nyasia is very good to me and gets me a very dope pair of sneakers to unbox and review on this channel. That being said, I'm not going to waste any time. This is a pair of sneakers I absolutely had to get. I entered raffle upon raffle upon raffle. Was on Yeezy Supply this morning. Was on Adidas.com this morning. And I finally, as luck would have it, hit on a raffle and was able to grab a pair today. So we're going to break into this unboxing, jump right into this review, and I'm going to hit you guys with it on foot. Now, being is that it is nighttime here in Philadelphia, it is extremely dark out. So we're going to do the on foot here in the sneaker room. Before we jump into this, I wanted to say one thing. This Friday, December 27th, on RichieRuckus.com, I'll be dropping not one, but two brand new Sneaker Things hoodies. One will be the one I've been wearing constantly, which is the Sneaker Things Gucci Things hoodie, and I will also be dropping the Keystone State hoodie. You guys have probably seen me wear that a bunch of times. I actually created it last year, right before spring, summer, and I never really got a chance to drop it, so I kind of kept it on ice until this fall/winter season. RichieRuckus.com, 11 a.m., Friday, December 27th. They both retail for $40, but as a special added Christmas bonus, I will let you cop both for the price of $60 with the promo code RUCKUS. I'll have images going across of both so you get a better look. The Gucci Things one I've been wearing almost every video recently, and I know I wore the Keystone hoodie. I think I wore it in the Bread 11 video. That being said, I'm not wasting any more of your time. You know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Yeezy 700 V3, and this is Azael colorway. I don't know the proper pronunciation. I believe, if I am correct here, that it is another biblical / Old Testament / Hebrew type name. We're gonna just look it up right now. Let's look it up because I don't want to steer you guys wrong. Azael. So I believe, after looking up the proper pronunciation, it is Azael. So we're going to go with Azael, and that is the proper pronunciation. Hopefully, if what I'm reading is correct. So, the Yeezy 700 V3 Azael. It is in fact a Hebrew name. It is a boy name. The language of origin is Hebrew and is used largely in Spanish language. The meaning of the name is made of God. So now that we learned a little bit of history about the name of the sneaker, let's just dive right into this review. I, for one, have been obsessed with this silhouette when I first seen images. This sneaker is obviously going to cause controversy, and the very first thing that we're going to touch on is that it does not contain boost. As you guys know, if you're an avid viewer of this channel, I am not one of these people who have to wear boost. I have Yeezy 500 Soft Visions on right now. I wear 500s constantly. They are slowly but surely becoming my favorite Yeezy silhouette, and I think the 700 V3 may actually take the crown. I can't wait to see other colorways of this, and I just think it is a very dope concept. As you guys know, a lot of this upper is glow in the dark, and I'm hoping to showcase that during the on foot. You have a layered knit upper under this rubbery glow in the dark panel. This panel right here is see-through on both sides. You have them crystal blue pods on the bottom, and like I said, what it's lacking in boost, I'm hoping that you still make up with the comfort of the sneaker. And, you know, we're not really going to know till we get these on feet. This is the first time in a while that I'm actually reviewing a new silhouette of a Yeezy. And I'm excited. I can't wait to get these on foot. And like I said, this was a pair of sneakers that I absolutely had to get my hands on. I really didn't think I was going to get them. I thought it was, you know, going to be mission impossible. And then when I seen that the resale on these skyrocketed this morning from like 3 something to 5 something, I was blown away. I was like, wow, this is insane. I'm not going to be able to get my hands on a pair. And then, like I said, as luck would have it, I hit on a raffle, and I am oh so appreciative and oh so happy that I could get these. And like I said, I just can't wait to get these on feet. I feel like the 700, which is weird, because it's one of the newest models in the Kanye times Adidas line, and I feel like we're already on the V3 of the 700. And I know the 500 has done the modifications and the updated versions. The tongue is a little bit different now with the no pull tab. And then where the mesh netting usually is on these side panels does have that neoprene to winterize the sneaker. And we are on the V2 of the 350. And he just dropped the Alien. But I feel like the 700, which, you know, being one of the newer kids on the block in the Yeezy line, has quickly gone to the V3. And I feel like there's so many more colorways they could have did with the V2. Even the V1. Like the 700 is just far and above the most popular of the Yeezy line. I know the 350 was just forever the mainstay with Kanye and Adidas. And I would love to see more of the 750 personally. But this 700 V3 goes hard. It is very, very light. And from what I'm hearing, you do want to go up a half size as far as sizing. I haven't tried them on. I haven't had them on foot yet. But I know when I entered into the raffle, particularly it was the store that I won at, they recommended that I go up a half size. So I'm traditionally 8.5 in Yeezy, so I did go up to a 9. So this is where the whole thing gets confusing. And I touched on this in the last Yeezy video, the 350 V2, your heel that I did. The Yeezy line has been so drastic and so different for me as far as sizing. The 350 V2, I have to go 8.5 or 9. I am an 8 in every other Adidas. 700s, I can pull off an 8.5. I can pull off a 9. 500s, 8.5, 9. Every other Adidas, an 8. And then when I rock, and then Nike Jordan brand, I'm an 8.5. So it's like, I feel like Adidas, it's always been my whole life. Adidas has always been a half size down from what I wear in Nike Jordan. And then once Kanye got introduced, I guess he brings the size in from the Nike aspect, since that's where he was first, or the sneakers just run small. But I feel like with every Yeezy, I always got to go to an 8.5, 9. Now that I'm done rambling about sizing, the colorway is fire. Let's be honest, this sneaker is dope. I cannot wait to see how much these really glow in the dark in person. So like I said, super lightweight. They definitely seem very breathable. And I'm not going to know more until I get them on feet. And I'll probably follow back up next week with, you know, a performance video, an update on how they've been with wear. But very subtle branding. The only Adidas branding on the whole shoe is right here on the back of the heel. I don't know if my ring light is going to prevent that from picking up, but I have pictures that are going to go across the screen as well. And then you have the traditional Yeezy Adidas branding on the inside, blacked out on a black insole. And I'm just excited. I'm very excited to see what these are going to feel like on feet, because for the longest time, we've had Boost with the Yeezy line, and then we had the 500 with the Adidas print. This is the first time, other than the Calabasas Power Phase, which is just a retro of a late 80s, early 90s sneaker, we're actually going to see the first ever, I don't even know, this is the first time I'm going to be putting a Yeezy on where I don't even know what the cushioning is. It's just very weird, but like I said, very dope, very lightweight, and I can't wait to get these on feet. Well, that's it. I'm going to go bang out this on foot. I'll be back after Christmas. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, but until next time, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Don't forget, RichieRuckus.com, 11 a.m., Friday, December 27th. Richie Ruckus sneaker things, Gucci things hoodie, and Richie Ruckus Keystone State sneaker things hoodie. $60 for the bundle, $40 a piece. Holla!
Richie Ruckus